Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok account login failed. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the login error for your TikTok, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, or you can also try to open your browser and open any random website to check if your internet is working or not. So if you feel that your internet is slow, so you just have to try to switch or try to connect with the strongest and a stable network connection. And after connecting with the strongest and a stable network connection, you just have to go to settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. Once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to simply go back and open your app store, go for search and search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find you have to try to update your apps after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If you're still not fixed your issue, so you just have to simply make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So you have to open your TikTok app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. And here, if you're still facing the login error, just tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, scroll down, and just tap on Help Center. Then select See More under Account section. Select Login, and here just select Report a Problem. And here you just have to try to report a problem to TikTok support team. So just select Topic. I'm gonna select Account Access or Security. Select an option. So select Login issue from here. So after selecting that, you have to select or enter your username. Your username must start with the @ symbol. Then enter your sign-up date if you remember. Enter your sign-up region. Enter your linked email or phone number. Then enter your device you lost to use to log in. Then enter your linked account if you have your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter linked accounts. Enter that here. Then you have to enter your contact email. You must have to try to enter your contact email which you're still using. Then enter some additional details. So you just have to try to enter your login error which you're facing here. Then check in these boxes and tap on the submit option. You can also try to upload the screenshot for your error screen. So once you have reported to TikTok support team, they will review your report and they will inform you in up to 24 hours and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.